Hey there guys, my second game that I wanted to share with you is on funbrain.com. First I'll show you the game and then I'll show you the rest of the website. So the game that I have to share with you is called Cake Monster. So all of their games that they have the grade level right here. So this is kindergarten to first or pre-K to first grade. It tells you about what it is. So it's a strategy game for measurements, number systems, or math. Gives you related content. So they do have a videos tab up here. So these two videos will be there. And then another game, which would be under games or playground. They have a little bit of a different feel to them, and I'll show you those later. So how you play is this game is down here as a description. So you're going to drop the candy on the target and the number line. And you just move your mouse and then you click to drop. So up here we have 0 to 10 and then your little candy. So this is 0, 1, 2, just kind of guess. So if you guess wrong, let's say I got 63% accuracy. And our little monster guy ate a candy, and I got an X for it being wrong. So we still have 4 because we didn't get that right. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 96% accuracy, and since we got him, we get a star. Just pointed at my laptop thinking you could see it. And we got a star up here. So it says the monster's at 10. Well, 10's already labeled here for us, so that one's pretty easy. There we go. That's 0. Again, it's labeled for us, so it's pretty easy. At 2. I feel like once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. And then, yeah, says I won. This website does have ads, so it is completely free, but the ads are what make the website free. So they can get a little bit much. As you can see, there's advertising here on the side and on the top. They can get a little bit confusing, so this website does have grade levels, but up here, these grade levels are for a different website. So it does get a little confusing if you're not paying attention to what you're clicking on. So that was in the game section. In the reading section, there are different books. And again, sometimes those ads that pop up can get a little bit annoying. So they have the different books here that you can read. This one's 3rd through 7th, sorry. You can go up here and read it. There's a little bit of a downside that you kind of have to read it, and then you can go down and then just go back up. You can't see it all on the same page. But, whoops, and see, like I said, those ads, they get you. So again, they have the tags of 3rd through 7th. You can have the option to buy the book if you like to buy it. Then related content, so the videos that you could watch, and then the games that you could play. So when we go into games, okay, featured games are down here. All grade levels, promote more, and so they all have different educational. So this one's for grammar for 2nd to 8th. Again, it shows you how to read it, tags for grammar, vocabulary, and words. Go on to the playground. This is more for your younger kiddos. So even though it says all grades, it's more mentioned for, again, the kiddos for pre-K, kindergarten through 1st grade. And the games are more targeted for everyone else in education. It does have a math zone, so these games are going to be all math. That's where I got the Cake Monster one from, versus how we saw in the games tab, there was that grammar vocabulary game. So this game, measure it. It talks about measuring length in centimeters and inches. So Funbrain has a whole bunch of different kind of games for different content areas, as well as different grade levels for games.